let's create our to-do component here. So let's just go ahead and create it. I use arrow functions. It's going to be const to do is equals to an arrow function that takes no props currently, and then function will return a JSX. For now, let's just return a div, or let's just return a p, take a paragraph, let's say connected, and then what you want to do, want to export this component to do, right? And then we go back to our app.js, and then we just remove this two h tags, and then we call our to do, enter auto import. Worked for me there. Then yeah, we see that it says I'm connected, right? Yeah. So now we can go ahead and create the whole thing. Actually, let me not do that. So let me edit it like here, turn it to a div that will hold the whole to do item, right? So inside here we have a to-do name, right? And then we have a to-do text, and then we have a button, right? So let's go ahead and create those. So let's give it a class names, so we can CSS this. So let's give it to do. It's a to do, right? You must use descriptive class names, obviously even the variable names, so that when someone is reading your code, it will be easier for them to understand what is happening and why you gave those class names. What do they do actually, without them maybe asking you directly. So let's go to our CSS. Okay, let's start with our to-do item.